British woods. If you have been looking for an open floor plan remodeled dollhouse, Eureka. The home itself is fabulous, but wow, that outdoor living space is hard to beat. Beautifully manicured lawn and screen porch will be where you will spend your time. Great kitchen west/eat-in bar. Smooth ceilings. Lights on dimmers. Updated baths. Roof, HVAC and WH all 5 years old. Nice detached workshop. Ceilings, fans everywhere. This is a great entertaining home and energy efficient. One-story living at its finest. Hurry!